this is Christina with Archibal. Today we're going to discuss how to set up classes in Quickbooks online. So we have a sample company called Craig's Design and Landscaping Services. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to account in settings. And then let's go to advanced. And then we have accounting, company type, chart of accounts, categories, automation. And what we're actually going to do is go under categories and we're going to go to edit right here, turn on classes and assign classes to entire transaction or each row. So it's great to do it by each row whenever you have to kind of split a transaction. So we're just going to save this, then done. Perfect. So now we had to turn on how to classify transactions. And then the QuickBooks has refreshed. Then we're going to go to banking. And these are our sample transactions. So let's go to, for example, Books by Bessie. Right now we have the option of putting vendor or customer, category, or class. So let's go towards classifying one transaction. So we have Mahoney mugs, right? We have it as an on-category expense. Let's just say it's an office expense, right? And we're gonna put it, let's create a class specifically for the company. So let's just say Craig's Landscaping had two companies, right? They had one for landscaping and they had one for designs. So let's just say we wanted to kind of do a profit and loss for each class. So we're going to go and create a class for landscaping for the landscaping company. Save. Right. Okay. And then we're going to create another class for the design company. Save. So for Mahoney mugs, let's just say this office expense was for the design company. So we're going to add. Okay, and then now we have income as a category. So we have this payment of $18.86, right? Because, right, we want to match this payment. We want to kind of do our bookkeeping based on our new system. So we're going to go to the payment. And let's go strategically for the invoice associated with the payment. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the class to the company it belongs. So let's just say we send an invoice to Cool Cars, right? And it looks like it's for both companies. So we're going to actually go to landscaping as a class, landscaping again, landscaping, and we're going to go to design. Okay, perfect. So then we're going to just save this transaction. So only save at this corner. So yes, we want to save it. Yes. And then we're going to go to reports. And based on what we just did, right, normally we'd go to the average profit and loss statement, but since we turned on classes, we're going to go to profit and loss by class. Okay, perfect. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go this year, run report. And now we have two companies, right? So Craig's Design and Landscaping is a portion of two companies, but they're within one QuickBooks. So now, right, we're going to redo our bookkeeping and we're only going to have a profit and loss for the design and landscaping company. So all of these transactions will have to be recategorized. But this is a sample of how the profit and loss would look for each company. So for the invoice that we just created, right, we have that as income for the landscaping company and a portion of that, which is the 400 for the income for the design company. For the expense we categorized, right, we have the 1808, the office expense that we categorize under the design company. So that is just a quick example on how to kind of recreate your bookkeeping for two companies, right? And eventually, everything that's not specified would have to be done through a class. And I would recommend you doing it through an accountant. That way, they can mass reclass all your transactions. Thank you so much and have a great day.